If you've been locked out of your Apple ID and need to reset your login credentials, follow these steps to regain access. This guide will help you navigate the process effectively. Step 1. Visit the Apple ID account page. Go to the official Apple ID account page at apple.apple.com. This is where you can manage your account settings and initiate the recovery process. Step 2. Click on Forgot Apple ID or Password. On the login page, click the link that says Forgot Apple ID or Password. This will direct you to the recovery options for your account. Step 3. Enter your Apple ID. Input your Apple ID email address in the provided field. Make sure you enter the correct email associated with your account to proceed with the recovery. Step 4. Choose recovery options. Select the method you prefer for receiving a verification code. You can choose to receive it via email or through your trusted device, if available. Follow the prompts to receive the code. Step 5. Reset your password. Once you receive the verification code, enter it in a designated field. After verification, you will be prompted to create a new password. Choose a strong password that you haven't used before, then confirm it to complete the reset. After following these steps, you should be able to regain access to your Apple ID. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Apple support for further assistance.